Hi, I'm Steve from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. We all know how prices can change within the home improvement industry. So today, we're going to talk about what a window replacement can cost you in 2023. In 2023, the average cost of replacement windows in San Antonio can range anywhere from $700 to $3,500 per window. This cost depends on many factors such as the window type, size, style, and more. Let's talk about what makes up the cost of a San Antonio window replacement. Window type. For the long-term homeowner looking for a durable and long-lasting window, a high-quality fiberglass, vinyl, or wood window may be the better option. For a house flipper looking to replace windows on a budget, an inexpensive vinyl window might be the best option. Vinyl windows average a starting cost of $750 for a 3-foot by 5-foot window. Vinyl frames are made of PVC, polyvinyl chloride, and are ranked as the most affordable type of window frame. Aluminum windows cost $1,250 and up for a 3-foot by 5-foot window. Aluminum windows are another affordable option. They typically fit a more modern look, are fairly low maintenance, and you won't have to worry about wear and deterioration problems as much as with wooden frames. Fiberglass windows have an average cost of $1,250 and up for a 3-foot by 5-foot window. Fiberglass windows prove to be highly durable through changing weather conditions, great for our South Texas climate. Clad windows cost $2,900 and up for a 3-foot by 5-foot window. A clad window is a style with vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass exterior cladding around a wood frame. This style gives your home the appearance of wood windows from the inside while eliminating the extra care of a wooden exterior. Composite windows cost around $3,400 and upwards for a 3-foot by 5-foot window. A composite window is made up of a mixture of vinyl and aluminum and wood and other plastics and metals to create a strong, durable window frame. Wood windows cost around $3,000 and up per 3-foot by 5-foot window, including professional finishing and sealing. As the oldest material used for windows, wooden frames are sturdy and durable. Compared to other material types, they tend to be the most expensive and need lots of upkeep. Window quality. When it comes to window quality, there are 3 factors you want to be sure to have addressed with any company you want to work with. They are the functionality of the window, how energy efficient the window is, and any customizations that are available. All 3 of these areas can dramatically raise or lower the cost of your new windows. So be sure to adjust each category to be sure you find the best mix of your window needs and cost. Window installation. A higher quality installation is going to cost you more. It's as easy as that. If you're looking to lower the cost of your replacement windows, you can find someone who will install them at a lower cost, but you could be risking the integrity of your new windows. The installation might not be the best place to cut costs, to be honest. Even a lower quality window with a higher quality installation could be a better option for you. Installation is that important. Warranty. A high quality installation should come with a high quality warranty to protect your new windows. The warranty is a big blind spot for most people shopping for new windows and wondering why Company A costs so much more than Company B. So ask them about their warranty. It might just justify the cost. Now that you know how much a window replacement in San Antonio can cost and what goes into that cost, you can have a realistic expectation for your project. Once you outline your wants, goals, and needs for your window replacement project, you can choose the best windows and company to work with for a successful outcome. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.